So today is July the 31st. We just finished this job at Taylor Kirkland's today. He's just got a new puppy today too, so they're out in the backyard. No, they're not. Okay. So this is a dry stream bed with gravel and river rock. They've got a water system there to feed the birds, and they come in more than seed, he says. And this is to slow down water. There's deep pools built in here. And this is a rain garden planted. It's got a Texas star hibiscus, a Ruellia, and a beautyberry. There's going to be a patio there. There's a walkway right here. We put in the sod. He did the retaining wall and a deck. Yeah. This goes down to a creek. So you step down and you step across the dry stream bed. It goes down to a creek down there. Yeah, so it's protecting the water. It's protecting these trees that are here. So we built this stone retaining wall here with these big boulders. So that's the dry stream bed. I'm really thrilled with how that turned out. It's like an oasis out here. The zoysia grass is taken off. Everything's worked out great. These flagstones are not really flagstones, they're slabs that we cut into shape. So there was 2 flagstones per slab. That worked out really well. Worked out well.